Hey guys, it's Jared here from iRoad Australia. Today I'm here with the crew from AutoCraze up in Sydney and got some really exciting news. Got a new toy to show you, got the TX9. It's the flagship model in our range. So let's unbox it and have a little look what all the hype's about. Here we go, the TX9. So the TX9, the big key differences obviously for the TX9 to the rest of the family of products is the iRoad TX9 is a 3K unit. It has a Sony Starvis lens on board. It also has 6 megapixel resolution in the unit. So it's going to give you 4 times better resolution than anything else on the market at the moment. So for the most detail you can possibly pull out, which is really important in a DVR. You want to be able to pull the finer bits like your number plates and the finer bits of logos and things like that on cars. So you need to make sure that you've got the best you possibly can. The other key thing about the TX9, you're going to get the Sony EXMOR lens or camera for the rear of your car to protect it. So not only do you have a 3K 6 megapixel Sony Starvis lens protecting the front of the car, you've also got a Sony EXMOR lens for the rear, so 150 degree viewing angle and full high definition for the rear as well. As with the prefix X in the TX9, you're going to get X vision for nighttime, so you're going to get 4 times better nighttime viewing than anything else on the market as well. Once you've decided you're going to buy an iRoad camera, make sure you come down and see someone like AutoCraze. They can not only tailor the product that's going to suit you best, they can install it professionally, they can show you how to use it and operate it and back you up with that. Make sure you come down and see the guys at AutoCraze. Make sure you ask for iRoad. Have a good day, guys.